My name is Jamal Hassan. I'm 19 years old and I'm a leader at Anti-Tribalism Movement.
My name's Habiba, I'm 21 and I'm a uni student.
Ayan Yusuf, I'm 20 and I'm a student.
My name is Abdullahi, I'm 18 and I'm a student.
My name is Farah Usman, I'm 17 and I'm currently in full education.
Around 16, 17.
Around 17, 18.
I was around 16.
During GCSE times, that's when I realised like mental health is actually something serious.
Yes and no to an extent.
Not really.
Yes, but no at the same time.
Yes, but overall no, I don't think so.
I feel like parents mostly think that mental health is reflecting on the way that they've brought you up. So if you were to tell your parents that you were having mental health problems, you're stressed, you're depressed, it would reflect on how they raised you up and there'd be a lot of denial, so you wouldn't be able to discuss it. How old were you when you realised mental health was important?
When I was about 16, because one of my friends had some eating disorders that sent her into depression, and I had to help her with that at quite a young age. So it made me realize that, problems with eating isn't just, eat some food. It's a lot more to do with your state of mind.
So who would you turn to when you're experiencing mental distress?
My friends.
My family, I like them, but my chosen family I'd go to, so who are my friends, so yeah.
Yeah, if you like that, you have to speak to your friend, your mom, your dad, and somebody is close to you. If I feel bad, I have to tell you, my friend. If it's somebody close to me proper, my big brother, young, who that be close to me, and I tell him what happened exactly. If I keep it close, everything, I don't tell everybody, it's going to be a problem for me.
Do you have any other comments?
If you have a problem, let someone know, because keeping it inside, it's just going to build, and then break down, essentially. Yeah, so, yeah.
It's very important that we, especially you, the youngest community, for you to get involved in this subject. We don't want to talk about it. We always feel ashamed to talk about it. So I'll give it in 1 to 10. I'll give it 10. Yeah, because I think it's very important, especially in our young generation and older generation as well.
I feel like we should have more of these discussions in like an open, safe environment, especially within our community.
I mostly like to say that mental health is nothing to be ashamed about. Like, it's something that's very normal, something we should all be discussing. And it's also reflecting of our physical health as well. So yeah, it's good to have these discussions about mental health in our community, especially.
I would like to thank the Lead and Be Led program and also ATM for giving me this opportunity to speak about mental health in a social campaign project, because it's made me a better person. So yeah, I'd like to thank you guys.